It is time to put the sway bar back on. Took it off forever ago and just have never put it back on. So kind of started a little bit already, just moving stuff around. I just need the bolts and I need to loosen this, rotate that over, and same on this side. So this is my little fix to preventing a gas smell. It helps a little bit, but because the check valve was definitely no longer checking. So now I just need to get this in, and it looks like we have just enough room for all things. So I'm gonna get some bolts, loosen these up, and then we can go from there. All right, so we got the fifth one in, just attached down here, all on, thread through, long bolt, so we're golden. So let's just get in to test, feel what this feels like. It's funny because I think these are probably super dated and I probably need to get new ones. So that'll be in the distant future. Loosey goosey, can reach all over the place for now. No, I can't. Feels a lot better. So, cool. One less thing out of the way. There we go. All right. So, easiest way to do this is to put the nut, which is fell down. Hang on. This nut, basically putting it face down like so. On top, feed it through, leave one hole empty so you can actually see and line everything up. And then from there, feed it through the little hole that's actually in the top of that, and just keep going. And that way you can get the other side, and I'll do the other side in a second. The bracket itself. Nice, nice, very nice. Never leave your keys in your trunk. All right. So we got this top for it, like this. These thread into here. And bottom out. So don't go any further. There's no top ends. That'd be nice to snug those up a little bit, but that's probably what the top pieces are. So just literally just slide through. And then this goes on. So that's what that looks like. We'll see if we can get this in there and in a good spot for where all that stuff's at. Nothing can fit underneath it, so I like it. I just gotta put it in there. So that's comforting. Insulation down on it, it'll be good. Let me get it positioned. I like it because it's up against this. It's pushed all the way back. And then we'll just mark in each spot. So good. Love this car. Totally just to help with parking. But yeah, we're moving along now onto the catch can. Figure out why there's so much oil down there.
No take backs. Do my thing like I'm bringing 88 back. I'ma shoot my shot and I'ma make that. Got them all but hurt and they hate that. I don't talk much, but I state facts. I don't talk much, but I state facts. I don't talk much, but I state